Hi everyone, it's September 8th today, Tuesday, September 8th, and a big windstorm came in. A bunch of trees. Did a lot of other damage as well. Took down some power poles just down the road. This is Willard, Utah. It's still a little windy. It's not as windy as it was.
It's like 10, 15 power poles. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Well, we're not going to have power tonight. Holy moly.
It's like whole lane going to our house.
Yeah.
All the power poles down.
Like a mile.
Like 1 mile, yeah. Crazy.
There's more power lines down up here. I might have to turn around still.
Gosh, trees down. That's a lot of power poles.
Yeah, a lot of power poles hit that power.
The wind knocked over the power poles.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have power tonight.
Oh no, I will be scared. I will be scared. Oh, there, can you slow down a little bit? Because there's a pole over there. Too.
Oh, here's some more power lines hanging down.
The trees get down. My goodness.
More power lines.
The
There's at least 20
lines
power lines that's down.
is all over the place. And until now, the wind is blowing really hard.
Oh, look at this sign. Look at this.
I know. Like the sign got knocked off also. So it's scary, guys. On the right side later, there's a lot of trees. There's a cups. There's a cops. This area over here is almost in our house. Where? Oh yeah.
There's a tree.
The tree. Oh my goodness. Oh, the pole, power pole.
There's another one.
This area over here, guys, is almost in our, it's really close to our house. We don't have power today since 5 a.m. There's a trees over there too, Han. Oh, look at right there.
Alright.
Can you
There's
drive
still more power lines.
over there, honey?
Huh?
Can you go there?
Yeah. Let me turn around real quick. To the fence too.
Yeah. Look at this house. The fence get blown over by the wind.
Soffit.
Crazy.
Somebody's missing some soffit on their house.
They act so fast,
Yeah.
like to get all the branches of trees.
Yeah, they're pretty quick here reacting on things like that.
Because look at the trees hanging on the pole. Oh my goodness. Yeah. We'll check what's going on in our neighborhood. There's a tree over there too that knocked off. It's crazy.
There's a fence that got blown apart.
Oh my goodness. That's a lot of damage.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the tree knocked down too by the wind.
And going back to the backyard, a huge one.
Gosh, the trees, look at the trees, guys. Oh my goodness. The trees is hanging